Multiple income streams. The lie that's keeping you broke. They told you that you need 7 income streams to get rich. Then it was 10 income streams. Now they're saying you need 12 different ways to make money. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. That advice is designed to keep you broke, scattered, and buying more courses. Let me ask you something. How many income streams does Jeff Bezos have? 1. Amazon. How many income streams does Elon Musk have? 1 primary business at a time. Tesla, then SpaceX, then Twitter. Warren Buffett? 1 main strategy. Buy and hold great companies. But somehow, broke people on the internet convinced you that you need 12 different hustles, that you need to be a day trader, a dropshipper, a real estate investor, a crypto miner, and a social media influencer all at the same time. Does that sound like focus to you? Or does it sound like chaos? Here's what actually happens when you chase multiple income streams. You become mediocre at everything and excellent at nothing. You spread yourself so thin that you never build real wealth in any area. You become a customer for everyone selling you the next income stream instead of mastering one. The multiple income streams lie comes from a place of fear. Fear that one source isn't enough. Fear that you might miss out on something. Fear that you're not doing enough, not hustling hard enough. But that fear is exactly what keeps you trapped in the scarcity cycle. When you operate from scarcity, you believe you need more of everything. More income streams, more opportunities, more courses, more strategies. But abundance thinking is the opposite. It's about depth, not breadth. It's about becoming so good at one thing that money flows to you naturally. What you focus on expands. What you scatter your attention on contracts. If you focus on mastering one income source, it grows and multiplies. If you focus on 12 different things, each one stays small and weak. This isn't just business advice. This is how consciousness works. Let me explain what multiple income streams actually means. It doesn't mean 12 different businesses. It means multiple ways to get paid within one business. Take a successful YouTube channel. They have ad revenue from YouTube. They have sponsorship deals with companies. They sell their own courses and coaching. They might have affiliate commissions from products they recommend. They could have a membership community or paid newsletter. Some have merchandise or physical products related to their content. That's 6 income streams, but it's all one business, one focus, one expertise. Or look at a successful restaurant owner. They have revenue from food sales, catering services, cooking classes. Maybe they sell their recipes as a cookbook or have a food truck. They might offer private chef services or consulting to other restaurants. Multiple income streams, but all built around one core competency: cooking. Here's how this applies to your regular job. Your paycheck is one income stream, but you can create multiple streams from that same source. You invest part of your paycheck in dividend-paying stocks. Now you have your salary plus dividend income, 2 streams from one foundation. You might invest in index funds that appreciate over time. Now you have salary, dividends, and capital appreciation. 3 income streams, but they all started with focusing on doing your job well, not chasing 12 different side hustles that distract you from excellence. The wealthy understand that money is attracted to focus and expertise. When you become the best at what you do, opportunities multiply naturally. People pay premium prices for excellence, not for someone who does 12 things poorly. Your income streams should be branches of the same tree, not 12 different seeds scattered everywhere. But the gurus selling courses don't want you to know this. They profit from your confusion and desperation. The more scattered you are, the more courses you'll buy. The more income streams they convince you that you need, the more money they make from you. Here's the psychology behind why people fall for this lie. When you're struggling financially, you feel like you're not doing enough. You think the solution is to do more things, try more strategies, hustle harder. But the real solution is usually to do fewer things with more focus and intention. Success comes from subtraction, not addition. What can you eliminate from your life so you can focus on what really matters? What distractions can you remove so you can put all your energy into one area? What income streams can you shut down so you can make your main one explode? Think about how a laser works. It takes scattered light and focuses it into a beam so powerful it can cut through steel. Scattered light can't even warm your hand. Focused light can transform matter. Your attention and energy work the same way. When you focus all your energy on one income source, magic happens. You become known as the expert in that area. You charge higher prices because you deliver better results. You attract opportunities that scattered people never see. But here's where most people mess this up. They think focus means putting all their eggs in one basket and hoping nothing goes wrong. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about building one strong foundation, then creating multiple ways to monetize that foundation. Let's say you're great at marketing and you work for a company. That's your foundation, your primary expertise. You could freelance marketing services on weekends. You could create a course teaching marketing skills. You could write a book about marketing strategies. You could speak at conferences about marketing. You could start a marketing newsletter or podcast. All of these are different income streams, but they're all built on one expertise. Or maybe you're a teacher who's passionate about education. You could tutor students after school. You could create online courses for other teachers. You could write educational materials and sell them. You could consult with schools on curriculum development. Same foundation, multiple income streams. But notice how different this is from trying to be a teacher, a day trader, a real estate investor, and a dropshipper all at once. One approach builds on your strengths. The other guarantees you'll be mediocre at everything. The spiritual truth behind this is simple. The universe rewards clarity and punishes confusion. When you're clear about what you want and focused on how to get it, doors open. When you're scattered and confused, everything becomes a struggle. Your subconscious mind is like a heat-seeking missile. Give it a clear target, and it will find ways to hit it. Give it 12 different targets, and it won't know which way to point. This is why focused people seem to have all the luck. Here's what I want you to understand about abundance. Abundance isn't about having multiple streams of everything. Abundance is about having one stream so powerful that it provides everything you need. It's about quality, not quantity. When you try to create 12 income streams, you're actually operating from scarcity. You're saying that one good income source isn't enough. You're telling the universe that you don't trust your ability to succeed with focus. And the universe responds by giving you exactly what you believe. But when you focus on mastering one area, you're operating from abundance. You're saying that you have so much value to offer in this area that money will flow naturally. You're trusting in your ability to become excellent. And excellence is always rewarded in the marketplace. So here's what I want you to do right now. Look at all the different ways you're trying to make money. Write them down. Count them. If you have more than 3, you're probably scattered. Pick the one that has the most potential, the one that aligns with your natural strengths, and interests. The one that excites you instead of exhausting you. Focus all your energy on making that one income stream extraordinary. Stop buying courses about the next income stream. Stop following gurus who promise you 12 different ways to get rich. Start following people who became wealthy by mastering one thing. Study their stories. Model their focus. Remember, every billionaire started with one idea, one business, one focus. They didn't diversify until after they had mastered their primary wealth vehicle. They built depth before they built breadth. They became rich through focus, not through scattering. The multiple income streams you see from wealthy people came after they became wealthy, not before. They didn't get rich because they had multiple streams. They got multiple streams because they got rich from one main source. Don't put the cart before the horse. Your mind is the most powerful wealth-building tool you have, but it only works when it's focused on a clear target. Give it that target. Eliminate the distractions. Watch how quickly your one focused income stream becomes multiple streams naturally. This isn't about limiting yourself. This is about leveraging yourself. When you focus your power, you don't create less, you create more. You don't miss opportunities, you create better opportunities. You don't reduce your income potential, you multiply it. The choice is yours. You can keep chasing the multiple income streams lie. You can stay scattered, confused, and broke. Or you can focus, master one area, and let abundance flow naturally. What you focus on is what you create. What will you choose to focus on? Success leaves clues, and every successful person will tell you the same thing. Focus beats scattered every single time. Depth beats breadth in the wealth game. Master one thing, and the multiple streams will follow naturally. Stop looking for the next income stream. Start perfecting the one you already have. Your future wealthy self is waiting for you to make this decision. The only question is, are you ready to focus and win? Welcome to Luxona, where millionaires are made.